let it flow. Unseal the lines, make it show. This time, go find what you hide. Open wide. Come by, come by. Love, come by, come by. To me, to me. Call out, falling to my arms. Whisper to me all the yearns, all the desires that you hold. Call out, fall out of the fire. Open wide. Come by, come by. Love, come by, come by. Love, come by, come by, come by. Love, come by, come by. To me, to me, to me.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. Think of you and of all I should have done. It don't mean a thing what shape or form that you're in, the place you're from, the wealth or the color of your skin. And all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late. You wonder why, Cornelia. give it all for a look, for a call, for a kiss, for a roll. A part of any universe, of any planet in the sky, brought in motion by your light. You're a star in the night. You keep me up when you say, fall into my arms. Love is strong, come along. Fall into my arms. Come on over, let your soul fall into my arms. Finally I can feel you. Finally I can see you. Fall into my arms. You move the mountains in my way, make me whole, make me sway, keep me up, keep me sane, and let me love you all the same. Send in the trumpets, send them all, calling fire in the hall. Come to life, let it blow. You give me hope and I say,